Cyberchase for real.
Guess what? I'm gonna be in a talent show. Hey, Rodney.
You look fierce in that outfit.
We're the best friends. Thanks for helping me out.
Wait till you see the routine. It's awesome.
There's no question I'm taking home the top prize. It's so nice of Robert to let us rehearse here.
Robert's such a great guy. All right, let's start from the top. I'm gonna break it down for you, though.
No, don't worry about it. You don't have to break anything down. I've been dancing since before I was walking.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Show me what you got. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy, right?
Yeah, it's good. It's great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let's just do this.
1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8.
Stop. What is that? 5, 6.
7.
What happened to that move? You just changed it. You keep changing it. That's what's happening.
You told me you've been dancing since you were born. When were you born? Yesterday? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bianca, that's not the choreography. You're never gonna get this.
There's something wrong with the choreography.
That's true. Maybe you should have told me that the routine needed to be really, really simple.
Or maybe I could do it if I had a better teacher.
Okay, you know what? Let's just focus on the turn. That's the easiest part of it, okay? I'm gonna show you the turn. Remember that? Ba, 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 ba. And hit. Are you okay?
It won't be when Robert gets home. We gotta fix this. Good as new.
Well, what do we do about that?
Oh no. We've gotta make a new tabletop before Robert gets home. Find a yardstick. Please. We have to make a piece that's 16.5 inches long by 16.5 inches wide. Let's make a pattern. I see the problem. I didn't make square corners. Cool. I need a piece of wood that looks like this shape.
Okay, what kind of wood?
You know, like tree wood.
You're welcome.
Now it's as good as new.
Hi, guys.
Hey, Robert, what you got there?
New table. You like it? I was gonna get rid of that old one. Do you want it?
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.